Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now for this challenge I decided to do a wall art, and these are my inspiration, my wreath from last year, and these pictures that I found on Etsy. So I'm trying to decide exactly how I'm going to pull this together for the Christmas holidays. Now this is my Christmas DIY and decor challenge, and it's hosted by Christy at thediymommy.com. Okay, so let's get started. So sit back and relax and watch and see how I put this all together for the holidays. I'm using the foam board that you get from the Dollar Tree. No, I think this one is from Walmart. Yeah, that's right, from Walmart. But I decided to use the colors that you saw in my wreath, my Christmas wreath, the copper and the silver and gold. And these are the colors that I'll be using in my Christmas decor. And I'm loving these colors because it gives me a more variety of how I can work these colors into my decor. This brilliant copper color is giving me everything that I need, far as giving me a shine and brilliance that I need to bring out that copper, the copper color that I need to emphasize in my decor. And next, you'll see me bringing in the elements, different elements of gold. Now, a list of all the supplies will be listed down below. And if you see anything that you want to ask me, don't forget to comment down below. Now, along with this Christmas DIY and decor challenge, there is a playlist. So don't forget to go check out the wonderful participants that's a part of this challenge. Now, I had to actually speed up this so that you won't be looking at every procedure that I did here. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we're almost done. And right here, I'm applying like a powder paint. It's almost like a gold leaf effect when you put it on, and the end results are wonderful. I will leave it down in my description. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please take the time and subscribe. Push that button down below. And I do weekly home decor and DIYs on my channel. So become a part of my family here. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you. I would like to thank Christina from the DIYmommy.com for this challenge. So these was my inspirational pieces here. And this is my Christmas wreath from last year that I'll also be using this year. And this is my wall art to complement that and part of my Christmas decor. So thank you for watching me pull this all together for the holidays. And as I always say to all my subscribers, thank you, amores. And I would like to wish everyone happy holidays and see you next time.